Adware refers to software that automatically displays or downloads advertisements when a user is online. This type of malware will constantly interrupt its victims and their devices with unwanted advertisements, banners, and pop-ups. Adware infects devices through interaction with downloadable content such as file sharing and streaming. And it potentially opens the victim up to other malicious third-party programs having access to their devices and information. Unlike other malware, adware is not difficult to detect, as it naturally reveals itself to the user. If your device has been infected, you will notice a reduction of speed and performance, and an increase in advertisements and unwanted pop-ups. To protect yourself, make sure you have an adware blocker to stop your computer from automatically downloading malware. And as always, make sure you have an up-to-date antivirus software, and be cautious of the files you download and view. That's all for now, thanks for watching, and see you soon.